inspiration for the symbol, since problem solving is the first term that comes to mind. When we hear the word mathematics, we was motivated to design a symbol that stands for it. We also came up with a symbol that has several different mathematical interpretations. We created a different mathematical essence by thinking of letter P and adding a spiral inside of it. In our opinion, the spiral-looking P symbol represents the dynamic and interrelated character of mathematics.
Explanation of the meaning of our original symbol. There are numerous mathematical interpretations for the P symbol. First, the letter P represents a number of mathematical terms that start with letter, including problem solving, patterns, and Pythagorean theorem, probability, and pi, among many others. It represents many phrases that are essential to mathematics. The spiral inside the letter P refers to the complex relationship and repeating process of mathematical investigation in which knowledge develops continuously. It represents the development an idea of pattern. There are symbols represent the core of mathematical discovery, where concepts develop, link, and broaden to introduce their branches.
In our group, the P symbol is often used to represent permutations, which refer to the number of ways to arrange a set of items in a specific order. It can also stand for momentum in physics-related math, showing the relationship between an object mass and its velocity. In probability, P represents the likelihood of an event happening, like the chance of flipping heads on a coin. It also used to denote the perimeter in geometry, showing the total length of around a shape. The meaning of P depends on the mathematical context in which it's applied.
In our group, the P symbol is commonly used in different ways depending on the context. It often represents permutations which deal with arranging objects in specific orders. In probability, it shows the likelihood of an event, like the chance of rolling a certain number on a die. In physics-related math, P is used to represent momentum, connecting an object's motion to its mass and speed. It can also appear in geometry or algebra, symbolizing quantities like perimeter or specific variables.